From the database dashboard, click the Oracle tile, then select the DataGuard tab. Click the Monitor button. In the first window of the wizard, enter a database environment name. This will be the name that appears in Foglight after the agents are created. We will use the default in this example. Click Next. To configure the primary database, click the Add Database button. Choose the primary database with the pull-down. If you wish to use a login with the sysdba privilege, enable the checkbox, then enter the username and password. Click Apply to continue. On the next panel, to configure the standby databases, click Select the agent next to the database name. Choose the standby agent with the radio button and click Apply. Enable the checkbox to enter a user and password with sysdba privileges. Then click Apply. After the validation completes successfully, click the Next button. Review the summary page and click the Finish button. After a few moments, the DataGuard environment will be monitored.